everyone, I'm Dr. Connor, your go-to expert in oral hygiene, and I'm so excited to welcome all of you back to the next episode of our series, Dr. MySmile 101. Today, we'll be addressing some of your burning questions about our #1 selling product, the MySmile Original Teeth Whitening Kit. Before we dive in, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss out on any of our dental tips or tricks. One of the most commonly asked questions we receive here at MySmile is, should I brush my teeth before or after my whitening treatment? To answer this question, you should brush your teeth before your bleaching treatment. This will ensure that all of the surface plaque and tartar are removed from your teeth so our whitening gel can penetrate your teeth properly. The second most common question we get regarding our whitening kit is, how much whitening gel do I need to add to my mouthpiece? We recommend adding 0.5 milliliters or less to each side of the mouthpiece per treatment. Our whitening gel syringes are marked with 0.5 millimeter increments to make this job easy for you. It's very important not to use more than the recommended amount of gel, as this will not improve your results and can lead to increased tooth sensitivity or gum irritation. Woo! Today I'm going to show you how to use our #1 seller, the Original Whitening Kit. Original Kit is a set of instructions here. 3 of our syringes with the whitening gel, our blue applicator tip, our LED light, and our mouth guard. So let me show you step by step exactly how to use this. It's really easy, guys. You'll start by removing our syringe. So step 1, you're going to remove the whitening syringe from the box and untwist the blue tip from the end. Grab one of our blue applicator tips and go ahead and attach that to the syringe. So you'll attach the blue applicator tip to the syringe. Next, you can go ahead and attach the mouth guard to the LED light. The front of your teeth. A lot of people will make the mistake and try to add it here to the bottom, and that's a mistake. You don't want to add it there, but here to the front surface. And like I said, you're going to add 0.5 milliliters to each side. So once you've applied the whitening gel to the mouth guard, you can press the center button here and the LED light will turn on, and now it's ready to put into your mouth. So our LED light has a 10-minute timer built right in, so you don't have to worry about pressing that on-off button ever again. It'll turn off automatically, and that'll be the end of your whitening treatment. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment down below, and remember, MySmile is always in style.